finger, fifth finger, left side neck, left side face, and crown of the head. The whole right side of the body. The whole left side of the body. The whole body. Next, we will go into some guided visualization and imagery practices. Just allow the images to wash over you. Notice them. Notice any sensations. Recognize the images. And then just allow them to pass. An ocean wave. An ocean wave. A grove of pine trees. A grove of pine trees. A fresh baked apple pie. A fresh baked apple pie. A warm summer breeze. A warm summer breeze. A jasmine candle. A jasmine candle. A snow-capped mountain. A snow-capped mountain. A hug from a loved one. A hug from a loved one. A snowflake on the tip of your nose. A snowflake on the tip of your nose. Falling autumn leaves. Falling autumn leaves. A cool breeze in the night. A cool breeze in the night. A starry sky. A starry sky. An ice cube on the tongue. An ice cube on the tongue. The feeling after a body massage. The feeling after a body massage. Next, we will move into our intention that we set for our practice today. Whatever meaningful phrase or word that you had in your mind's eye early on in the practice, repeat it internally to yourself a few times now. Now, as we allow the intention to resonate within us, our last practice here for the Yoga Nidra session is our Shavasana. So if you are in a posture where you are comfortable remaining for another 10 to 12 minutes or so, please feel free to stay there, remain in stillness, and continue to deepen your relaxation. If you chose to do your Yoga Nidra practice seated or in any other posture, you can slowly make your way down to the floor on your mat or a blanket and lay down on your back in whatever posture is comfortable for you. And we will start our Shavasana time. So just know all the work is done. There is no physical effort needed. Continue to breathe smooth and evenly, and rest in this grounding and relaxation you have cultivated for yourself today. Remain here for as long as you need. And after the time has passed, I will return and we can seal our practice together.